Three-phase energy meter connection. Three-phase energy meter. Three-phase line volt 440 V 50 Hz. First phase red. Second phase yellow. 3 and E phase blue. Neutral. Meter input connection. First phase red meter input connection. 3 and E phase blue meter input connection. Second phase yellow meter input connection. Neutral meter input connection. Meter output connection. MDB main distribution boards. First phase red meter to MDB connection. 3 and E phase blue meter to MDB connection. Second phase yellow meter to MDB connection. Neutral meter to MDB connection. Switch distribution boards. First phase red MDB to SDB connection. Second phase yellow MDB to SDB connection. 3 and E phase blue MDB to SDB connection. Neutral MDB to SDB connection.